Hey guys, so welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to remove Discord overlay from game. So guys, to do this process, what you could try to do is you could just simply open up the Discord application on your PC. And now once you are here on the Discord, you could just simply go ahead and go to the gear icon or the user settings. And now here on the user settings, you can just simply scroll down to the bottom and you should be able to see here game overlay. So go ahead and select this one. And now from here, as you can see, if you have the enable overlay turned on and the legacy overlay, make sure guys to just simply turn this off in order for you to remove overlay. And after that, you will have the survey on why you are going to close it. I'm gonna tell them it was in the way of my game. Select submit, and from there it will help Discord on why you disable the overlay, and you can just simply turn this off as well. And pretty much down below you could also change some voice widget pretty much based on your own personal preferences, and you could also adjust the notifications over here as well. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.